Hey guys, this is my first video. And my sister's in the background, so
Hi.
she might hear us, so yeah. And I'm gonna be like doing stuff, random things on real high, so yeah. Let's get right.
Sorry.
It
took us so many attempts for her to try and get this intro right.
Yeah, I've never done it.
Okay, we gotta speak up because this camera doesn't, the recording thing doesn't actually make you that loud. So, yeah.
So, let's go to our high school. Wave my wand. So guys, try and chill because sometimes I wear boy clothes. So yeah.
What the heck? Her name's Frosty. She really likes that name. Turn around and show them your look.
Frosty orange. So this is my look. So yeah, let's go.
Please subscribe to the Inquisitor Master.
Hi, I'm not Inquisitor Master.
No, please subscribe to the Inquisitor Master. And to my sister.
Okay, but I like watching Inquisitor Master. So...
Yeah, that's why I said please subscribe to her.
Okay, what else?
And like her video.
I liked it already, so yeah.
By the way, the Inquisitor Master is Alex.
Ah, stop it! Some people don't like the Inquisitor Master.
Oh, and please subscribe to Zachary.
Ah, stop! I don't like watching everyone.
Please subscribe to Zachary.
Stop! I like Alex.
Alex's boyfriend.
What the heck?
So, I'm embarrassing my sister right now. Okay, carry on. Keep going then. You've got to tell them what you're doing. Alright guys, I'm going to meet you.
What the heck? This was my door. Why'd you make me claim it so many times?
I'm going to go downstairs. I'll come back up to check on you. Okay guys, I'll see you later.
I don't really know what I wrote.
You can't record for long.
So, if you're new to this, so I'm just going to let you have a little explore. So, I'm going to show you. Not really explore. So, this is like where all the dorms are. And if you want to, you can go through this room and go that way, whatever you want. And it's really funny. Come with me. I just go up here, down here, then you walk into this room with a gold door, and you jump up here, and then look, there's a slime bar. Well, jelly, slime, whatever it is. Then you just walk in here, and then there's a few stuff what you can do. Change your clothes. Well, don't judge, I bought a skirt, and it was really expensive. I'm a poor person on here. I'm really poor, okay? But I go to the ball to get more diamonds. I always lose, so yeah. Then you just go downstairs. Aha! I got the key. Oh god, that's another dorm. Well, I just keep calling this one. I really used to real high, not real high school. So that's what I do in this weird stuff. Here is the bakery. Right in front of me. That is the bakery. It's a really big building. And then, here's another blue girl. Why is she like, is she trying to copy my outfit? Is it me? Well, what else? And then, this is like where, really close to where the ball is. I don't really know where it is, but I sometimes just teleport there. Here's the here's like the kitchen where you go to, no I don't want anything. That's the kitchen. And then there's lockers all over the place, so this is where my one is. So yeah. Where is it? I don't know where that staircase is. So that means I lose my locker if I don't know where the staircase is. So it's down here. This girl helped me, thanks. The person who's really blue. So guys, I don't know if I want to do this because let me just grab it, go into my locker around, you know it. So guys, sorry, I had to pause it.
You
so
had, not hadded.
had to do it, so
Pause.
you couldn't get in my locker. But guys, I want to tell you a secret. I got into someone's locker. It was 1, 2, 3, 4.
Try and get in somebody else's.
Yeah, I think this is Ducks Fairies. I try this sometimes.
No. Try 1, 9.
Okay, I think I got one. It's red. I guess I'll remember
Why don't
it.
you try 1, 9, 1?
No, I can't get into that.
2.
So that's
Jordan,
my
why don't
locker.
you try 1, 9, 1? 2.
I don't think it'll work.
Why?
I don't know.
Is it because it's your password? She hit me on the face!
Okay, guys, you could get into my locker. I don't really care. I don't really.
You
use
can't
it.
actually steal from their locker.
Yeah,
so-
I know. I don't care. Just go in my locker if you want. It's 1912. 1912.
She literally hit me in the face. She
No, I
got so angry.
I don't know why I just smacked her in the face.
Yeah, because I told them you logged the password. Oh, I've got a nosebleed now.
Oh my god. I don't think he does.
I do.
He
Look
doesn't.
my wife at all.
Guys, I looked at her nose and she didn't. She's a liar.
covering my nose. How would you know that?
No, it's not. That's what you do to lie. Oh god! That's about to fall in the pool. Are you serious? So guys, I might do a few episodes of this. So yeah. And here is my locker. Let's walk in. Let's look at the other room. Why do some of these have no rooms? It's really annoying. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's go down there. Where the ball is. Oh god, I was trying to walk through the mirror. Seriously. Backpack. Guys, even look. 1912.
did you do that?
Did you just get a red pen? We own red pens all over the house. You have a red pen. So guys, as you can see,
Get a red pen.
Oh my god, that looks like a red pen. Guys, I'll keep that tissue and when I do a face reveal, I'll show you how fake it is.
Guys, you can't do a face reveal, by the way.
I'll try.
This is not fake.
It looks like scribbles.
What the heck? Guys, I wish you could see. Look at that, guys. Blood.
Ew.
It's not blood. I've got more coming out.
You wouldn't be talking like that. You'd be just flopping on the floor, screaming your eyes out.
You don't cry when you've got a nosebleed. What the heck?
Oh god.
You can only record for 1 more minute.
I'm serious.
Do you just want to end it now, then quickly do another episode?
So guys, I'm going to do another episode. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Have a nice day.
Ha 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 ha.